National Weather Service in Memphis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Crockett County in West Tennessee, northeastern Fayette County in West Tennessee, northwestern Hardeman County in West Tennessee, Haywood County in West Tennessee, western Madison County in West Tennessee, until 11:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:47 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles northwest of Dancyville, or 12 miles southwest of Brownsville, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Jackson, Brownsville, Fairview, Three-Way, Bemis, Holly Grove, Adair, Hillville, Dancyville, Mercer, Cloverport, Stanton, Madden, Asbury, Ely, Owens, Belmont, Huntersville, Hickory Point, and Westover. This includes Interstate 40 in Tennessee between mile markers 36 and 81. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Tennessee: Crockett, Fayette, Hardeman, Haywood, and Madison. Service in Memphis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Fayette County in West Tennessee, northern Hardeman County in West Tennessee, northwestern McNairy County in West Tennessee, southeastern Haywood County in West Tennessee, southern Madison County in West Tennessee, southwestern Chester County in West Tennessee, until noon Central Daylight Time. At 11:14 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Whiteville, or 13 miles west of Bolivar, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Henderson, Bolivar, Chickasaw State Forest, Chickasaw State Park, Whiteville, Somerville, Sealerton, Massaville, Cloverport, Robertson, McNairy, Bethel Springs, Toon, Hornsby, Finger, Madden, Kimpson, Pine Top, Uptonville, and Taylor Chapel. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until noon Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Tennessee: Chester, Fayette, Hardeman, Haywood, Madison, and McNairy. The National Weather Service in Memphis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Tippett County in northeastern Mississippi, Benton County in northeastern Mississippi, Alcorn County in northeastern Mississippi, southwestern Henderson County in West Tennessee, Hardeman County in West Tennessee, McNairy County in West Tennessee, southwestern Hardin County in West Tennessee, Chester County in West Tennessee, until 1 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:12 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles south of Bolivar to near Bethlehem, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Corinth, Henderson, Bolivar, Ripley, Selmer, Chickasaw State Park, Chickasaw State Forest, Big Hill Pond State Park, Adamsville, Snow Lake Shores, Sealerton, Massaville, Phil, Kenyon, Pocahontas, Jacks Creek, Mifflin, Shiloh, Crevestown, and Robertson. This includes Interstate 22 in Mississippi between mile markers 43 and 48. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Mississippi: Alcorn, Benton, and Tippah, and the following counties in Tennessee: Chester, Hardeman, Hardin, Henderson, and McNairy. Mostly sunny, 75. Lebanon, cloudy, 77. Lewisburg, sunny, 77. Livingston, mostly sunny, 73. McMinnville, mostly sunny, 75. Murfreesboro, mostly sunny, 79. Pulaski, mostly sunny, 79. Rockwood, cloudy, 73.
There it goes. Finally. Oh.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 46, effective until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This watch includes Tennessee, Davidson, Dixon, Macon, Maury, Robertson, Rutherford, Smith, Sumner, Trousdale, Wilkinson, and Wilson. Remember, severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. In Nashville at 1 p.m.
What is this?
The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe
Okay.
County in Middle Tennessee, Southern and Robertson County in Middle Tennessee.
Oh,
At
come
2:15
on.
p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Reception
At
is really
1:22
failing
p.m.
right now.
Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Dixon, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Springfield, Dixon, Ashland City, Nashville, Madison, Hendersonville, Goodlettsville, White House, Millersville, Greenbrier, Forest Hills, Oak Hill, Coopertown, Springs, Lakewood, Pegram, Ridgetop, and Burns. This includes the following highways. Interstate 40 between mile markers 185 and 220. Interstate 65 between mile markers 79 and 97, and between mile markers 105 and 109. Interstate 24 between mile markers 24 and 54. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Strong thunderstorms will impact.
Alright. That came out of nowhere.
Southeast. The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Davidson County in Middle Tennessee, Sumner County in Central Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm was located over Madison, or 7 miles north of Nashville, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Gallatin, Lebanon, Springfield, Nashville, Madison, Hendersonville, Mount Juliet, Goodlettsville, White House, Millersville, Greenbrier, Forest Hills, Oak Hill, Bellmead, Lakewood, Westmoreland, Ridgetop, Hermitage,
You didn't go
Melinda City,
either.
and Old Hickory. This includes the following highways. Interstate 40 between mile markers 203 and 241.
Okay, why am I seeing an
Interstate
episode
65 between mile markers 79 and 109. Interstate 24 between mile markers 36 and 54. Interstate 840 between mile markers 72 and 76. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 46.
Why?
Active until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties. This is for Lewis County in Middle Tennessee, northeastern Wayne County in Middle Tennessee, northern Lawrence County in Middle Tennessee, southwestern Maury County in Middle Tennessee, northwestern Giles County in Middle Tennessee, till 3 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Daylight Time. Expect wind damage to roof. Source, radar indicator. Source, radar indicating. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roof. Sighting. Gordonsburg, Henryville, and Hampshire. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Okay.
Mark 50 miles per hour. Severe thunderstorm warning for northern Smith County in Middle Tennessee. Thunderstorm was located near Westmoreland for 8 miles northwest of Hartsville, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and maple-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lafayette, Hartsville, Westmoreland, Red Boiling Springs, Bethpage, Dixon Springs, Pleasant Shade, Bledsoe Park, and Dickerson Chapel Recreation Area. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 46, effective until 2 p.m.
Another warning.
Service in Nashville has issued severe thunderstorm warning for northern Maury County, daylight time, severe Central Daylight Time. At 2:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Fairview to 9 miles northwest of Columbia, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact. The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Davidson County in Middle Tennessee. Northern Maury County in Middle Tennessee, Williamson County in Middle Tennessee. The storm which prompted the warning has moved out of the area. Therefore, the warning will be allowed to expire. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time for Middle Tennessee. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 46, effective until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Tornado possible. Okay.
possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A strong thunderstorm will impact southwestern Davidson, southeastern Dixon, northern Maury, Williamson, southeastern Cheatham, and Hickman counties through 3 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:14 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm over Central, moving northeast at 52 miles per hour. Wind gusts up to 60 miles per hour and pea-sized hail. Source.
That has a tornado possible tag on it. No way.
Jackson County in Middle Tennessee, Clay County in Middle Tennessee, northeastern Macon County in Middle Tennessee, until 3:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:03 p.m. Central Daylight Time,
We're gonna get a double header.
was located over Red Boiling Springs, or 11 miles east of Lafayette, moving at 50 miles per hour. 80 miles per hour with gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated.
I don't want to do that. I think this will be a double header.
The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Marshall County in Middle Tennessee.
I guess not.
Lawrence County in Middle Tennessee.
I thought I turned you
Middle
off.
Tennessee. Giles County in Middle Tennessee until 3:30 p.m. Until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:59 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles north of Tullahoma, or 10 miles west of Manchester, moving at 50 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, netting, and trees. Locations of Kansas City, Sigmundville, Tullahoma, Reuben Margaret, Tracy City,
I think they're telling us.